In tonight's top story, we visit Central East Africa, the small landlocked country of Rwanda, with its capital Kigali, known to be the cleanest capital city in Africa.
Just about 42 kilometers outside of the capital, you will find the bustling town of Nyamata. This happens to be the very place where the AfricaMissiosn Bible College is situated, and it serves as the East African hub. Over the past 2 decades, this humble facility has prepared more than 1,000 students for ministry. Students came from all over East Africa. Fortunately, this campus is currently closed. It has fallen into a state of disrepair and does not currently meet the Rwanda government's strict criteria to be operational. But things cannot just remain as it is. These students are all waiting with bated breath for the reopening of their beloved campus and for the fulfillment of their goal to be equipped for the ministry God has called them to. So, what's next? Is there any way forward?
Hey friends, it's Tabo van Wyk from AfricaMissiosn, your trusted ministry partner in Africa. And we have a big heart for Central East Africa. We're busy with many projects. But one of our beloved projects that really needs urgent attention is the AfricaMissiosn Bible College in Nyamata, outside of Kigali in Rwanda. This college has been closed for more than a year because we don't meet the criteria of the government, not on an academic level, with regards to what we have in place in terms of our facilities. The Rwandan government has imposed stringent criteria that applies to all places of worship, anyone working in the religious sector, and that goes for training in the religious sector as well. I embarked on a journey to the United States earlier this year for fundraising purposes, and the Lord really blessed us in abundance. So we are ready to go back and to start making a difference. But we would like to do as much as possible. And for that reason, there is still an opportunity, especially for our church family in South Africa. Please help us. We need more funds because what we need to achieve is quite big. And we're stepping out in faith. We have done what we can do, and we trust the Lord to multiply the seed in our hands. But if you would like to make a contribution towards Project Nehemiah, that will be kicking off on the first week of November, please take a look at the detail that is contained in the slide, and you are so welcome to forward any support that you would like to give us. And rest assured, it will all be used for Project Nehemiah, the resources, the cost that we will incur to get the job done. May God richly, richly bless you.
There's always a light, even if it's somewhere far in the distance. Please let us help AfricaMissiosn to revamp, rebuild, and reposition the Rwanda Bible College. Help them become effective and successful again. AfricaMissiosn, your trusted ministry partner in Africa.